If you guys like this video, please like, please subscribe for more content because I will be back with more content for you guys. Shout out to the Z team for always staying sincere and holding it down. Make sure you guys are drinking your water. I know it's weird, I got water in the bathroom. Oh my gosh, I look like a weirdo. Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today we have a little, I hope you guys remember the Z team. Hello darling. The last time that we seen her, she was slayed. She was very nicely pressed and I loved her at the time. I don't hate her now, that's not what I'm saying. I just want to cut her a little bit. I want to make those ends even. And I also want to make this into a bang. Yes, I said it. I want a bang wig, so I will do this. Okay, now I know a lot of you guys are like, how is she gonna do this? How is she really gonna do this? You should believe in me. Cause I'm going to slay this wig. As I always do. Okay guys, so step number one to just getting this wig revived and prepared and rejuvenated so that I can cut it into a bob. Oh no, not a bob, y'all. That's not what I meant to say. I meant to say a bang wig. Okay, y'all. So long story short, I'm about to just start off blow drying this wig. It is wet. I just washed it. I just used some silicone mix on it to kind of like straighten it out. As you can tell right now, I'm just trying to get my hands portioned the way I need to because I don't see how y'all do this. Like, sometimes it get real hard to, like. Okay, y'all, so I finally found a method that works for me as far as blow drying and combing at the same time. Blow drying is hard, so I just set the blow dryer in between my lap and I let it flow up and I just brushed it down as much as I could until it dried completely inside the bundles, in between the tracks. That was my main thing, is just getting it straight, getting it dry. So right now it's pretty self-explanatory. I'm just going through, I'm combing, I'm brushing. I'm really just brushing, but you know, for the sake of this video. So now I'm going ahead and I'm creating that circle that is going to sit in the middle of my head, which is like a circular part, I guess you would say, that you normally have for bobs, like bang wigs. So I don't know why I keep saying bobs, y'all, but I'm just going through and making sure the hair is even all around. I set this on top of a water bottle just so I can see exactly where that part is going to be at. Focus on making it flat. Focus on making sure those hairs lay down in the direction that you want the part to lay down. Because I plucked my part, I had to really focus on making sure that the hair covered up the part that was plucked already. So I just went in and focused on making sure that that flat iron hit the direction that I wanted the hair to actually lay within my part, so that when I do cut it for the bangs, it doesn't disrupt anything and it doesn't look crazy or just not laying flat. You know, we just want to avoid all of those repercussions and all of those discrepancies, you know? So yeah, I'm just doing that. So of course, at first, make sure your hair is braided down. I'm not gonna wear a wig cap, not putting any glue on. I actually did flat twist on my hair instead of doing braids because I got my natural hair out and I was trying to do a flat twist out. But you know how that goes. So right now I'm just combing the hair down, making sure it's even all around, making sure it's flat all around, so that when I do start my cutting process, it does make sense. I know I look crazy, y'all, but it is what it is. The first step that I would say you need to do is separate the hair into two sections, just so you can cut it from left to right. So I'm just going in right here, separating the hair, the part that's actually the bangs. And I'm just making sure that the rest of the hair is laying down flat, laying the way that I would like it to lay as I am separating within my tracks. Right now I'm just braiding the hair in two different sections. So Like I said before, y'all, I know I look crazy, but it's all going to be worth it in the end. So I'm just taking that other section, parting that out, making sure I got enough hair on that side. And now I'm just going to begin my braiding process for this side as well too. Iron and lay down that bang, that side of that bang, as you would say. Just focusing on those roots, making sure that the hair is flat, making sure that it is straight as I am as I'm flat ironing this hair. It was very rigorous to get this hair bone completely straight because I don't recall the last time I put heat on this hair. It's been such a minute. So right now it's really just a rigorous process. It's really continuous, self-explanatory. I'm just going to continue to flat iron the hair until it lays down exactly how I want it to lay on this side. And then I will do the other side as well. As you can see, I'm just going to do the comb chase method and just focus on getting that bone straight type of appearance. I love how sleek this hair is, how shiny it is, but it's also too shiny because, like I said before, I put the silicone mix in it, and then I had my oils that was already in the hair, so it has a little shine to it. That was the only thing I really did not like about this. So as you can see, I'm focusing on covering up that part because I can still kind of see it. Applying focus to that centerpiece that you want in the middle of your head is always key because you want that as a reference point to see how you want your bangs and stuff to look. So as of right now, just focus on flat ironing that hair, keeping that hair really straight, creating that look that you want, getting those hairs to lay down in the direction that you want them to lay down. Everything else is self-explanatory. I was not able to cut the bangs on camera, guys. I'm so sorry from the bottom of my heart. My camera had died, so I was not able to record exactly everything that I needed to record for this video, which was crazy because I'm like, out of all parts, I need to show y'all how I'm cutting my bangs. But, everything happens for a reason. So yeah, guys, if you need help cutting your bangs or anything, I suggest you look at a video. The best method that I always use is the ponytail method, which is where you just take a ponytail holder and you focus on making it even all around. So you could go from left to right the way I did, or you can just do it all together within a ponytail holder. So all you do is just even a ponytail holder to the length that you would want your bangs to be, and you just cut under the ponytail holder with a pair of scissors. And then, of course, you take the flat iron, you bump it, the bangs, and get them to lay the way that you would like them to lay. Okay guys, so right here is when I started to really begin my bangs process, and everything was kind of straight all around. So now I'm just bringing all of the hair together, focusing on that centerpiece as my reference point. Right here, you just want to focus on getting the hair to combine and lay the way you want it to lay. As I said before, guys, I was not able to cut my bangs on camera. My camera actually died, so right here I am just prepping for cutting, and you guys will see exactly how I did that. If you guys like this video, please like, please subscribe, please share. If you have any comments, feel free to ask. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for giving me your time. I hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe.